Come with me, let's check how much YouTube paid me for 800 views. If you are a small channel and your views are still struggling and you wonder if it is worth it, come with me, let's analyze together. At the end of this video, you tell me if it is worth it or not. How much did YouTube pay me for 800 views? Follow me to my dashboard. Okay, here we are on my dashboard. So it is this video here about altered content I uploaded few months ago. So now let's see. We're going to analyze the data, and then at the end of it, we'll check how much YouTube is paying me for this particular video. Bear in mind, it's not up to 1,000 views yet. It's just 800. Now it's 857 views. Okay, let's start with the reach. The reach is 3.4K impressions. That means YouTube has shown this video to 3,400 people, which is not bad for a small channel like mine. And then impressions click-through rate, wow, 11.2%. That's awesome. It means this thumbnail and the title is working very well. Nice one. So let's go ahead to the views. We have just 857 views, unique viewers, 761. Now, traffic source. We see that this video is getting most of the views from search. That means this topic, people are searching constantly for it, trying to understand what altered content is and all that. Then we have external sites. Then suggested video is in third place, direct or unknown, channel pages, and others. Okay, so the major traffic is coming from Google search. Wow, that means my video is being shown in Google search. That's good. It didn't do bad at all. Even ChatGPT is recommending this video to people when they search for altered content and want to understand what that means, right? And Yahoo search even. Wow, okay. That's not bad. And then we have content suggesting this video. We have similar contents that are suggesting my video, all right? So because all these things play an important role when it comes to how much you are going to make from your video, right? So search terms people are using to get my video is altered content, yes or no, and all that. Okay, that's good. All right, so now we are going to go to the next one, which is the engagement. Watch hours is actually 43.9. Okay, so this video, 800 plus views, gave me 43.9 views. That means people that are watching this video, they actually watch it to some extended time. Average view duration is 3 minutes plus. We are almost getting close to the important part. So audience, I have 11 subscribers from this video. And as for audience, device type, majority of them are watching through their mobile phone, then computer, TV, and tablets. Age and gender, unfortunately, we don't have enough data also to know the demographic and all that. Even here, the geography is also not clear. Anyways, we are going to now go and check how much this video actually generated. And I'm going to leave it up to you guys to tell me if it is worth it or not. Okay, the revenue, we have 2 frames and 39 rapid. So 2 frames and 39 rapid, that's equivalent to 0.91 US dollars. So now, what do you think? Is it worth it? No, sometimes there are some videos that you will get more than 1,000 views, even 2,000 views, and you will not get up to this amount. So bear in mind, this video just has 800 plus views and it's still getting views. That means the more views it gets, the more the revenue will increase. So as a small channel who is about to give up, do you think this is worth it? Did this video motivate you? Yes or no? Let me know your thought in the comment section. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Angela, the face behind this channel, and on here I share tips and strategies on how you can grow fast on YouTube, and I also help you avoid mistakes that I made on this channel so that you don't have to make them again. like I did. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Are you inspired? Is it worth it? Share your thoughts with me in the comments. Do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and share so that you can encourage another creator that is about to. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye for now.